Looking for a dependable ink cartridge that keeps your Epson Workforce Pro printer running smoothly? The remanufactured Epson 702XL cartridge is designed to deliver crisp, sharp prints while saving you money. With updated chips installed after December 16, 19, it ensures compatibility with the latest firmware updates, so you won't face any unexpected printing issues. I switched to this remanufactured cartridge after struggling with expensive OEM replacements. Right away, I noticed the print quality matched the original Epson cartridges, and the installation was straightforward. The updated chip worked perfectly with my Workforce Pro WF3720, avoiding the common error messages some cartridges trigger after firmware upgrades. Each black cartridge yields up to 1100 pages, making it a practical choice for both home offices and small businesses. That means fewer cartridge changes and more uninterrupted printing. Plus, since these cartridges are remanufactured by OC Products, you get a reliable product that's been carefully tested to meet Epson's standards without the premium price tag. This cartridge is a direct replacement for Epson's 702, 702XL, and 702i models, so you won't need to worry about compatibility. It fits seamlessly with Workforce Pro WF3720, WF3730, and WF3733 printers. If you value quality prints without the hassle or high cost, this remanufactured option is worth a look. If you're tired of OEM cartridges draining your budget, this remanufactured Epson 702XL ink cartridge offers a smart alternative. It delivers consistent results, supports the latest printer firmware, and helps you stretch your printing budget further. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ink without compromise. Order now to experience smooth printing with a cartridge that's built to last. Whether you print documents, reports, or photos, this remanufactured cartridge keeps your Workforce Pro running at peak performance. Don't let printer compatibility issues slow you down. Choose a cartridge that works as hard as you do.